welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The NSK shown here is a dual-axis motor control used in a series of 300mm AMAT Applied Materials wafer manufacturing tools. This driver has 2 full motor controls and allows for the movement of 1 full robot junction. ERD has decades of experience repairing NSK motor controls, both for the semiconductor and other industries. Each of these drivers are custom number units which have different programming enabled for use in the specific tool. This driver is just another variant to the whole family of ELA drivers. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.